Welcome back to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. With more season, but why it's delaying the 0.33 season of The Display premiered on April 12th of 2019. The first season aired on June 28th of 2019. A unique video episode became launched in 2017 titled Bungo Stray Dogs Hitori Ayumu. Later on, an anime movie titled Bungo Stray Dogs Dead Apple became launched on March 3rd of 2018. No legitimate assertion for the fourth season has been made as of now. However, thinking of how famous the whole collection has been, it's miles secure to mention that the lovers might be greeted with a fourth season, which is probably the very last season. The first and the second season were observed one after the another. However, it took the creators nearly 3 years to come out with the second season. If they observe the equal format, then the lovers will look forward to a full-size length of time. If not, our wager is that the fourth season will air maximum probably at some point on the stop of 2020 or 2021. But no legitimate bulletins have been out yet, and for that reason the readers want to maintain in thoughts that those are simply speculations. But maintain an eye fixed out for this area, as we can quickly replace it as something legitimate is announced. The anime collection has been 3 seasons as of now, and in view that its launch, it's been extensively cherished with the aid of using the target market and the critics alike. It is not but recognized if the display is coming again for the 4th season or not. Quite some time has been handled because the 0.33 season has been finished and there was no legitimate affirmation for the 4th season. But all of us can count on that a 4th season goes to happen, and there have been a few rumors going around that recommend that the 4th season will launch someday around 2021. It is doubtful if the modern day COVID-19 state of affairs can have any impact on the rumored 2021 launch. Bungo Stray Dogs is usually a supernatural display that specializes in a collection of younger detectives who own supernatural powers. The predominant protagonist of the display is Atsushi Nakajima, and the display within the beginning facilitates around a reputedly everyday orphanage from which Atsushi is kicked out because of the fact human beings suspected that he's chargeable for the atypical happenings within the surroundings. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.